This is about Hallmaster aluminum mobility wheelchair and scooter courier from Harbor Freight. This is my version of the assembly. You can and should read the manual and follow it instead of using my methods for legal reasons. LOL. You know, it comes in parts. It got screws on one end and nuts on the other. It's put together with rivets at the factory, the base anyway, as you can see. Picture of the base. The base has like an inverted V form for strength. Like I say, it's riveted together at the factory, the base. These are the where you put the straps, tie down the circles. This I added myself. They do not supply the reflectors, but Harbor Freight does carry them. For some reason, they put the washers in between the aluminum and the steel. I'm assuming they will rust before the aluminum and steel because of galvanic corrosion. And we start again, so I guess I'll end it. The ramp is easily installed, just a couple of bolts, and it's got a place, excuse me, put pins in after you get it all finished. Anyway, there you have it. Hope this helps.